Welcome back. This is BEG Coins with Black Lion Kings. As you may know, Black Lion Kings has been offering different crypto services, day trading services, one-on-one trading, teaching and education, as well as Shitcoin, the popular Shitcoin meme coin channel on our Discord group. The information is below if you want to join for a very inexpensive membership, for a membership that you can get hundreds of thousands of millions of dollars worth of value for per day. In that sense, the membership is very cheap. So what I'm here today to educate you on is what you're supposed to do with once you do have the membership, once you do have access to the premium channel, what to do with these calls, with these signals. So keep in mind here, these calls are most likely expired. Jupcat, as you see at the top of the screen, maybe not. Pigeon, maybe not. It's a new meme. And Burger, as you can see there. So I wouldn't, first thing I have to say is I wouldn't suggest jumping into these, because what you're getting into, shitcoins and meme coins, is a very highly volatile environment. Yes, we're on the Solana, the most popular blockchain, the hottest blockchain right now. You're on the Solana blockchain, but this is highly volatile, high risk, high reward trading. So here we're going to use Pigeon. So we got whoever got into this token got a 3x out of it. Looks like Crypto Line posted, and he was the one that did. He got 3x out of it. The first, I'll get to the idea of what you're supposed to do once you receive this call, once you are able to get into the token, and how fast you're supposed to take profits. But first thing, you're going to identify that it's on the Solana network. Second, you're going to click on, if this is the only information you receive, then you're going to click on the DEX Screener app. DEX Screener is a cryptocurrency, say, screening app to where you can find new and exciting tokens that are coming out all day, every day. So there are hundreds that come out all day, every day. Most of them are meme coins. A lot of them are games, so on and so forth, for different purposes. But we're here to explore shitcoins, meme coins. We're here to explore anything that possibly looks like great value. So I will save all those details for an advanced video. But here we're going to keep it really basic. So first, click on DEX Screener, and we're going to click over to the other screen. As it populates, you're going to click on DEX Screener for Pigeon, and then from there you're going to click on Trade on Radium. Okay, so we're going to let this load first. Looks like it still has some liquidity in it, but we're going to let this load first. Then we're going to click on Trade on Radium here. It'll take us to the next page, and from here you're going to want to let this page load, and where it says Connect Wallet, you're going to click on that button. And one important thing you need to remember here is you're going to want to install the Phantom extension wallet. Okay, the link for that wallet will be below. I believe it's phantom.app, and then you can install it on your phone, or you can install it here. I have it on my web browser. So once you do that, click on Phantom Wallet, and we can go into what it's going to look like for that transaction for anybody who's new here to this channel. Okay, so then once you have your wallet set up, and once you have Solana token in your wallet, you can get it from centralized exchanges. Personally, I use crypto.com, referral link below if you want to jump into there as an American. And then there are other, depending on your region, there are other centralized exchanges that you can buy Solana from. Okay, so then next thing you're going to do is once you have Solana in your wallet, once you have the extension or the app connected, then you're going to click on Connect. You're given Radium, right now the most popular exchange going for Solana. You're giving them permission to utilize your wallet, and every step of the way you're allowing them to utilize your wallet. All right, so once you connect, you may have to go back to that link, that deck screener link within the Black Lion Kings Discord. And to go back a step, once we give you permission, once you show us within the group that you joined either the coffee membership or you want to pay with crypto, then we give you access. So then you'll have access to this page. As you can see here, it's locked over here. Okay, so you may have to go back, click on the link after you sign in, and do that little process over again, because it looked like it didn't. Where'd it go? Okay, no, we're gonna go back to Pigeon, and look like it didn't take the Pigeon contract just yet. So we're gonna see if it's gonna do it here. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to show you how to extract the contract out of a deck screener. Okay, so this time, once we are able to log in to Radium with our Phantom app, then it's going to ask you, are you sure this is a token? So you're going to want to take the first 4 of this token address, go back to the Pigeon, scroll down, and you're going to look for the Pigeon pair here and verify that that's it. Okay, so yes, that's it, FXRR. Then you're going to go back to Radium, and you're going to click yes, I understand that you're taking this risk and it's a highly volatile instrument, so on and so forth. You're going to make sure you have enough Solana. You're going to select however much Solana you want to purchase. Ideally, this is advanced information, but if you want to make sure that this token is getting bought, you're going to click on more information. You're going to make sure it's at least over 1%. Ideally, if you really want to get in badly, just click that 3%, 5% to make sure you get in. Click swap. Okay, and then once you're done, you're in. All right, and now to the point where what you're going to want to do once you have that token, you're going to want to go back to Pigeon. And ideally, you're going to click on market cap. Ideally, you're going to want to get out. If you get in this early, say you got in, let's go back to 15 minutes. Say we gave you this alert down here, say around 10, 20K. You're going to want to take profit on a 2X, and you're going to want to take profit on a 5X, majority profit. Majority of these tokens, I'll give you this information, majority of these tokens go up somewhere between 50X and 100X, and then they fall off the map. Okay, I will explain a lot more of what's going on with these tokens, but you're going to want to get in and out of these tokens within an hour, within a few hours. If you can get a 2X within an hour, you take that, you take some off the board, you take out your initial investment, maybe plus a little more, because worst case, these things are highly volatile. As you can see, I won't say this token's dead necessarily, but these tokens die very quickly. This is, you paid for the membership because it's a highly volatile instrument and you want to make money quickly. Okay, so keep in mind, you're expecting to lose. This is very important. You're expecting to lose everything you put in. You have to come into every trade expecting to lose everything you put in. So very important. You don't want to come in with, say you have $1,000. Let's just say you have $1,000. You don't want to come in with $100 a trade. There's a good chance you will be out of money within a few hours, within a few trades. Okay, because we put up 5 to 10, sometimes 15 trades a day, and you want to get in and out of these trades as soon as possible without taking on as much risk as possible. So if you have $1,000, you want to come in with $20 a trade, because you want to survive until you do find one that hits a 10, 20, 50x, as we have had in our group multiple times in the past week alone. So that is very important to keep in mind. If you have any questions, shoot them down below. Come join the Discord for free with the invite. The invite link will be in the description below. We do have a few in the open chat. We do have one shitcoin trade a week for free. If you want to join the members group, then we give away at minimum 3 shitcoin trades a week, as well as a bunch of technical, as well as a lot of technical analysis on a lot of the bigger market cap tokens like Ethereum, Chainlink, XRP, and Ethereum and Solana, for example, giving entries and exits for those as well, long-term and mid-term for those plays, as well as information about the newest, hottest tokens to get into before we give them to the public, either YouTube or to Discord or to IG. We have 11 years of experience in the cryptocurrency market, so we know exactly what we're doing and how we're doing it. So we're here to impart our wisdom onto you and to help everybody make a profit off of it before it's all regulated and put behind a fence for only the rich and wealthy to take advantage of. So that's what we're here for. Information on the membership is below and will be posted after I'm done talking in this video, and you can come to the Discord and ask questions about the membership as well. But it's coffee.com/BlackLionKings for that cheap membership. You will pretty much make back the idea is you make back everything in one trade. You put in a $5-10 trade and you hit a 5x, which I'm telling you, it happens very fast. Once you see the Discord, you'll understand, and your monthly fees, your monthly payment will be paid off in one trade. So that's typically how that works. So yeah, if you have any questions, come join us. Thanks.